Hello students, let's we continue our topic, that is the energy pyramid. Here the figure 7.4 shows the energy transfer that takes place at each topic level. So here they showed the 7.4 figure, and in that shows the energy transfer that takes place at each topic level from lower to the higher level. There are different levels of energy exchange in the food chain. The initial quantity of energy goes on decreasing at every level of energy exchange. See here, they have given the different levels here. For the energy exchange, from one level to the another level, there is an energy exchange in this food chain. So we have given this one aquatic ecosystem pyramid, and in that the initial quantity of energy means first one, that is go on decreasing in every level when that is exchange or energy exchange. Similarly, the number of organisms also decreases from the lowest level to the highest level, and this pattern of energy exchange in an ecosystem is called a pyramid of energy. So here not only energy is decreases, but the number of the organism that is also decreases from lower to the higher. So here they have given the example of phytoplanktons, that is the plant in aquatic system, and on that plants that is feed by the zooplanktons, means small fishes and small aquatic insect that feed upon these phytoplanktons. The number of these plants are more than the zooplanktons, means from the insects. And again there is, and we have given the fishes, then small fishes and insects, that is more than the fishes numbers is less than the zooplankton. Against there is an humans, they are also less in number than the fishes. Like this way the organism levels also decreases as well as the energy level also decreases. So phytoplanktons, they are make their own food, and they get the energy from sun for producing their food, and this energy they use for their metabolic activities, and that is this one used by the zooplanktons or feed by the zooplanktons, and that remaining energy that is transferred into a zooplankton. So here they have given the 10,000 kilocalorie energy that is in phytoplanktons, but in that some energy that is used by phytoplanktons for their metabolic activities, and remaining that is 1000 kilocalorie energy that is transferred into zooplankton. Again in zooplankton they use the energy, and remaining 100 that is transfer into the fishes. When the fishes they feed that zooplankton, and that is transferred into the fishes, that is 100 kilocalorie. Again these fishes eaten by the humans, and the 100 kilocalorie energy that the fishes use for their metabolic activities, for their movements, and the remaining 10 kilocalorie energy only that is transferred to the human. So like this the level of the energy that is decreases from one level to the another level, and that is called the pyramid of energy. After the death of apex consumers, their energy becomes available to the decomposers. So the humans also, that is the apex consumers, they are not eaten by any other organisms, but when that is death of these organisms, and this energy in that organism they are given to the decomposers, fungi and Other microorganisms decompose the bodies of dead animals. They are called decomposers. For whom called the decomposers, that we have given here the example of fungi and other microorganism decompose the body of dead animals, as well as that there is an dead organs also, plants leaves also, they are decomposed by this organism and they are called the decomposers. In the process of obtaining food from the remains of organisms, decomposer convert them into a simple carbon compounds. So the process what they are obtaining the food, when they are obtaining food means decomposer obtaining food from their dead organisms, and in that the decomposer convert them into a simple carbon compound, that the remaining what is their organism or dead bodies, that is converted into a simple carbon compound, and these substances easily mixed with the air, water and soil, from where they are again absorbed by the plants and incorporated into the food chain. Means that is the food chain is continuous like a circle. This food chain related to the energy we have given here, that energy is continuously passed from one organism into the another organism. It is not destroyed it at any level. So that we have given here, means the when that dead organisms are goes in the buried in the soil, that is decomposed by the decomposers, and again that energy is released with the substances related to the carbon compounds that goes into the air, water and soil, and where they again absorbed by the plants. So that is also started from this energy started from the plants, again that is come towards the plants and incorporated into that food chain, that energy get, but in not all the amount, that is in very less amount they get. So you can now see that due to the food web formed by the various modes of nutrition, energy and various nutrients circulate continuously in the ecosystem. Now here already explained you students that this energy or the various nutrients that is continuously circulate in the ecosystem. The sun is the most important source of energy in any ecosystem. Green plants of the ecosystem store some of the solar energy in the form of food. Before reaching the decomposers, this energy is passed on from one tropic level to the next. Decomposers dissipate some amount of energy in the form of heat. However, no part of the energy ever returns to the sun. Hence, such a passage of energy is referred to as one-way transport. So here sometimes you have asked the question to how to explain the how the sun energy is referred to as one-way transport, because the sun only the source of energy or main source of energy for the living organism, and it gives the energy to the green plants as well as the living organism, and by this living organism or the plants, they transfer the energy from one level to the another level, but it is not going back towards the sun. It is not given back to the sun, only absorb the energy from the sun, and that is why it is called the as one way transport of the energy.